Today we're talking about one of the biggest small space challenges, when your living room is also your bedroom. And it all starts with choosing the right convertible furniture. Hi friends, welcome back to Tiny Oasis Decor. Today we're talking about one of the biggest small space challenges, when your living room is also your bedroom. Maybe it's a studio apartment, maybe it's a guest space, maybe it's just your reality right now. Whatever the reason, if one room needs to do both, you're not stuck. You're just ready for a smart design. And it all starts with choosing the right convertible furniture. So let's get into how to make one space feel cozy, practical, and beautiful, morning, noon, and night. First of all, you're not doing it wrong. There's no shame in needing your home to multitask. In fact, designing a living, sleeping combo can lead to some of the most creative, calming, and clutter-free spaces. But the real key is flexibility. You want furniture that changes with you, without a lot of fuss. Because if making your bed means a full room rearrange, you're not going to do it. And that's okay, we've all been there. So what pieces actually work in a dual space? Here are a few of my go-tos. Number 1, a sleeper sofa. The classic, great for sitting, napping, and hosting an overnight guest. Today's sleeper sofas have come a long way. Many now come with easy pull-out designs and even built-in storage. Number 2, daybeds with trundles. By day, they look like chic benches or lounges. By night, they're ready for rest. And with a hidden trundle, they can sleep too. These are great for teens, guests, or anyone who wants a comfy perch and a real sleep setup. Number 3, Murphy beds or wall bed. When you want a clear distinction between living and sleeping, Murphy beds are your best friend. Fold it down at night, tuck it away during the day. It's sleek, easy, and a total space saver. Number 4, lift top coffee tables. Not technically a bed, but still a star. These are perfect for when your living room also needs to be a workspace or a dining area. Lift up, work or eat, then tuck everything away again. One thing I always say, just because furniture is multifunctional doesn't mean it should be uncomfortable or unattractive. This isn't about beanbags and futons, unless you love those. It's about finding pieces that feel good to sit and sleep on, match your style, and don't scream, "This is a pull-out couch." Pro tip, look for options with soft curves, wood frames, or luxe upholstery, so your living room still feels polished, even when it's secretly your bedroom. Design isn't just about furniture, it's about routines. Here's how to make your day-to-night switch feel easy. Keep bedding tucked in a decorative basket or ottoman during the day. Use a linen spray or soft lighting to mark bedtime mode. Add a folding screen or tall plant to separate the sleep zone. Use throw pillows and blankets to switch the vibe from sleep to social. Little changes equal big impact when your space is doing double duty. At the end of the day, your home isn't a magazine photo. It's where life happens. And if your living room turns into a bedroom every night, that's not a design fail, that's a feature. With the right pieces, you can feel proud of your space, no matter what time of day it is. So if your room wears a few hats, don't stress. Let the furniture do the work and choose pieces that make the transition seamless and stylish. You can find tons of multifunctional furniture and clever accessories at Tiny Oasis Decor. We're all about making small spaces feel like peaceful, beautiful retreats. And don't miss the next video in our Overlapping Spaces series, where we'll talk about how to visually separate different zones in one room without building one single wall. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.